Na, 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 oh. We remember all the good times, yeah. Let's celebrate though, let's celebrate. Yeah, here's to the good times.
All right, everybody, God bless you. Welcome to another episode, Good Time with Mr. and Mrs. Good News. Hallelujah. Welcome back to the channel. Out here by myself today. Baby had to go take care of some things before the weekend. So I'm out here. I'm going to see if I can't find me somewhere to put the Neo 2 in the air and try to get a little footage with the drone today. So, yes, that's what I'm doing. We got a squirrel infestation around here. They just decided they're going to just show up and show out everywhere you look. Well, that's all gravy. So, yeah, we're going to get out here a little bit. It's a beautiful, another beautiful day in the neighborhood. And, yeah, so we're going to ride. We're going to drive. Decided to ride. I got to stop and put some gas in here. And then he's on down the road. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice, be glad in it. Pray that everyone doing well. I know it's been a minute since I put a video out, but we're going to try to get back on track here shortly. Try to do at least one a week, if possible, like I usually do. And see what happens. So y'all come on right along with me for a little while here, if you would. It's been raining for the past 5 days, so there was no riding. But that's good because I was able to plant a little grass in a couple of spots. We'll see what happened with that. Still haven't found my other gloves. Go figure. Haven't really been anywhere since we did the ride down to Littleton for lunch. Well, I believe it was the next day after that ride is when the rain began. I hope I can get the drone up. It's a little bit windy. It's not crazy windy, but a little bit. All right, I'm gonna pull in here and get a little gas, people. Get back with you in a minute. Stop recording. All right, people. Well, we got a little bit of footage there. I got a bad habit I got to break. Is I keep forgetting to I keep forgetting to hit record on the drone until I'm out already. I'll figure it out one day. But I got that little bit of footage. I got a little bit, a little bit. Yeah, I don't know why. When I'm flying with the phone, I always remember. But when I'm flying with the controller, for some odd reason, I always forget until I'm out there, and then I remember. And yeah, oh well. It is what it is. Hope y'all enjoyed that little bit of footage. Like I said, I'm just still practicing. I'm still learning. I have a long way to go before I master it, but you don't get better unless you practice, right? So you got to practice. Plus, I've heard some horror stories about flying over water, but I didn't have any problem. Maybe because I wasn't low enough. I was trying to stay kind of high. The wind, I had a high wind advisory on return to home, and that wind was kicking the little Neo2's butt, man. She was doing like 2.5, 3 mile an hour, sometimes 7, trying to get back home. I'm glad that I decided to return to home before it told me to. That way I knew I had enough battery to do it, you know. So, yeah, it's all gravy. Trying to do something a little different, you know, rather than the same stuff over and over and over again. Okay, so none of that was recorded. Don't know why, but oh well. Anyway, we made it back home safely. God bless you. I don't know where it stopped recording at.